Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and for the returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. For those who are new in this channel, please thank you for joining the family. You are welcomed to. Kindly view these videos, like the videos, comment, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can always be updated with the uploading videos. So guys, today I'm just back with another video on a recipe that is fresh tilapia from Lake Victoria. Guys, I am a lady from the lake, so this recipe, I know I enjoyed so much, so well, so I hope you too will enjoy. So let's cook. So guys, this is the tilapia. See the way it's dripping water? So this is just fresh from Lake Victoria. And guys, today we are going to do this recipe of fresh tilapia. So this recipe is very important in our health. As you know, it's very rich in iron, and especially for the kids who are growing up. So parents, really make sure that you do this simple recipe, this fresh tilapia, especially from Lake Victoria. I normally say, I don't know whether it's a joke or it's serious, that people who take this kind of fish are very brainy. So guys, if you want to be brainy or your kids to grow up brainy, please always do this recipe. So I guess I'll just start by removing the scale. So these are the scale, guys. You can see. You start by cleaning it. Remove the scales. So make sure you remove the scales very well, because if you cook them with these scales, guys, you will not enjoy eating it, and you will just get pissed off with this good recipe. So guys, please try and remove them. Some people sell them. In fact, in most cases they are normally sold when these scales have already been removed, but because this is just fresh from the lake, guys, it is just the way it came from the water. So make sure you do it at the edges. Just here, carefully look at the edges well before we go to the fins. So guys, for the fins, you can just cut them off. You can remove them to enable you to do everything well. And then here you'll have to cut out this part too, so that you can be able to see the fins. The scales are hidden here. Make sure you remove everything. Same to the other side. Cut out the fin. And then remove this part. And continue removing this. You see the scales are hidden here. So make sure you do it carefully, well. Now guys, so this part we have to wash it. Look at this part. So after this, now we take it to water to clean it well until this part, you see, as red as it is, you make sure that it changes its color, meaning for you to confirm that it's now clean, it will change to a bit white or creamy. So guys, let's wash it now. This is how you should wash your fish. Okay, make sure you wash the fish well especially this part, guys. Yeah, especially if you have a running water, make sure it is well washed, and other parts too. Then inside, to pause. So guys, I'll continue rinsing my fish. I rinse it well till it's now smooth, guys. So once now you can feel its smoothness now, guys. The fish is clean. Now I can just cook the whole of it the way it is, or I can just divide it into two. Just because I want it to cook so well, I'll have to cut it into two. This is my fish now. So I'm just going to start cooking it now. Guys, for my fish, the ingredients that I'm going to use, I have my red onions here. I have 2 tomatoes because it's not so much. Then I have turmeric. I have fish masala. I have paprika, ginger and garlic, and then I have tomato paste. I also have some salt to taste. So guys, let's cook. So I've just placed my pan now for the fish. I'll start by adding some oil, vegetable oil. So I will let the oil heat first before I put in my onions. So guys, my oil is ready now, and add in my onions. And let my onions cook. So as the onion withers now, you can see now they're becoming a bit soft. Now this is the time that I'm adding my garlic and ginger. Someone asked me why I normally put ginger and garlic later, not together with onions. Guys, if you onions and ginger and garlic gets brown faster than the onion. Yani garlic and ginger normally gets browner faster than onion, so you cannot put them together, otherwise they'll brown fast. So you have to put the onions first, and then once the onion withers or becomes soft is when you put them. Then now I'm going to add in now my tomato paste, but I've let the onions brown a bit. So I'll now add my tomato paste. I'll give it a good stir. Then now I'll add in my tomatoes. Well, I've just used 2 tomatoes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes for this fish. So I'll just cover it a bit and let the tomatoes cook well. The tomatoes have to cook well for you to get the right gravy that you need. Let the tomatoes for the fresh fish cook well. So I'll just cover it and let it cook for about pan now. I'm going to add in the spices. This is fish masala, turmeric and paprika. So guys, I'll still give it a good stir. Now guys, now I can add in some water. Not so much, depending on the size of the fish. You add water as you continue stirring and you let it boil so that the tomatoes can really disappear. Just test to find out if salt is enough. Yeah, salt is okay. Still, I'll add little water. Then now it's the time now to put in my fish. So you start with the head down first, then the tail. Make sure that the gravy gets in well to inside the fish, and that's the guys. That's why I had to cut this fish, though it's small, but I just wanted it to have the right weight. So guys, now for my fish, I'll just add in some little water and give it at least 30 minutes. I'll reduce the heat to a low heat now so that it can just cook. So I'll just cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. So I'll reduce the heat. So meanwhile, when my fish is cooking, I'm going to serve it with a Kenyan vegetable called collard green, kales or sukuma wiki. So I'll just prepare my sukuma wiki. So my fish is still cooking. Now I'm just washing this vegetable that I'm going to use it. I serve with my fish and ugali. So guys, this kind of vegetable is common in Kenya. It's called collard green or kales. But we also have a Swahili name here in Kenya called sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki in English, direct translation means push the weak. So guys, this kind of vegetables is not so common in Africa, but I know in Zambia they have it. Malawi also has it. So it's so nice, it's common, and it normally grows everywhere within Kenya. So guys, I'm just washing it, and I've just washed it now, and now I'm just going to cut it. So for me to cut it, you just remove the stem, guys. My kales are now ready. I just now want to steam it. So let me just check over my fish. Back to my fish, guys. Wow! Look at the gravy, guys. So nice. My fish. Fish is doing well. Doing well. So I'll just turn it. guys, it's not supposed to overcook. It's still soft, so this is just about 5 minutes to see. I've just placed my pan. I want now to steam my collard green. So just add some little oil, vegetable oil, and let it cook a bit before I add. So guys, I'm not going to use any tomatoes, as in this case. I'm not going to use any tomatoes. I'm just going to steam it so that it can come out green. Remember, today we said our recipe, we need some iron in our recipe for today. So fresh fish is very rich in iron. Collard green is also good, especially when it's steamed, when it's green. But the disadvantage of kale or collard green is that it is too acidic. So that is its advantage, but it's so sweet and also rich in nutrients. So guys, my oil, I guess it's ready. So I'm just going to add in my red onions. And let my red onions cook. So guys, my onions are ready now. I'll just put in my sauce. So you don't put at once, just put it bit by bit. You give it time to shrink. Meanwhile, you can add some salt. It's shrinking, so you can just add. Now it's to be ready, guys. So nice, so green. Look at it, this is nice. So that is kindly view my videos, share and subscribe. If at all you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So this is fresh fish from Lake Victoria. So lovely, guys.